As we stand here together, beginning this new chapter as husband and wife, Kelly and I are so grateful to have you all here today to celebrate this special moment with us.
Here's my hand, it's yours to hold.
即係成長咗好多啊！我哋覺得佢好比較大個咗啦，有擔當啦。咁啊，要我哋咧，成日要我哋去擔心照顧嘅咧，就開始識得去照顧人嚟噶啦。
Our relationship has been a journey, one filled with moments of joy, challenges, and growth. Through it all, we've seen God's hand guiding us, shaping us, and teaching us what it means to truly love each other and as He's first loved us.
We are two becoming one, may what He's joined be not.
兩個咧就今日咧就拉埋天窗結婚，咁我哋咧就好感恩。但係咧都要講一聲，就係兩公婆咧相處咧，即係拗撬一定有嘅。即係我同你媽咪咧都經常性嘅啦。最緊要咧就係大家互相包容嘅。
Here's my life, I lay it down, I give up myself for you.
今日睇到佢成長咗啦，佢喺人生入邊揾到佢另外一半，一個佢好深愛嘅人。我睇得出，佢對阿 Kelvin 嘅愛意，亦都睇到調翻轉阿 Kelvin 都好犀利，我真係要講一講阿 Kelvin。
We are two becoming one, may what He's joined be not undone. May our love put Christ on display.
愛其實唔係一個感受咁簡單，愛仲係一個選擇，係一個超越環境嘅行動。我哋唔知道我哋未來會發生咩事，但我哋今日走到婚姻，能夠喺神面前立呢個一生嘅盟誓，二人成為一體。
Here we are, we're yours and yours alone, God. Here we are, may what you join be not undone. We want the world to see your love through us. We want more of you.
咁喺未來日子可能都會面對唔同嘅順境逆境嘅，咁亦都希望你哋即係攜手去面對啦。咁亦都相信即係有主嘅愛喺你哋嘅當中，咁我諗相信一切嘅難關亦都可以渡過。
When we're weak and when we're strong, when it's hard to carry on, oh God, we want your love.
我哋不如準備好個酒杯之後咧，我哋就一齊去祝賀高生高太，好唔好啊？2、3，飲杯！
God, we want your love on display. We are two